This example is about how much adults spend on all books they buy for general reading. So here we are told that a sample of 64 adults showed that on average they spend $1,450 on books for general reading with a standard deviation of $300. Now here we are not told what the distribution or probability distribution of the population is, whether it's normal or not. So probability distribution of the population is unknown. Also, sigma is unknown. We do not know the population standard deviation. We are told here only the standard deviation of the sample. However, n is greater than 30. So because of these three conditions, we can use the t-distribution to make a confidence interval for mu. So we are told that confidence level is 99% or 0.99. Now, the formula that we will use to find this confidence interval formula is x bar plus minus t multiplied by sx bar. So here we need to know three things. X bar, we know it is equal to 1,450. We need to find t, and we need to find sx bar. Sx bar is equal to s over n square root, and s here is 300, and n is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So 300 divided by 8 gives us $37.50. Now we have to find t. To find t value, we need two things. One is degrees of freedom, which are n minus 1. So in this case, n is 64, minus 1 gives us 63. And then also, we need to know area in each tail of the t-distribution. That's equal to 0.50 minus confidence level divided by 2. So this will be equal to 0.50 minus confidence level is 0.99 divided by 2. So this will be 0.50 minus 0.4950, and this gives us 0.005. So the area in each tail of the t-distribution is 0.005. So here is the t-distribution, and we know that degrees of freedom are 63. Area in each tail is 0.005. So we go to table 5, which is the t-distribution table, and in this table we look for degrees of freedom in this column, which is 63, and we look for area in the tail here, area in the right tail, and that is 0.005. So we look for 63 here and 0.005 here and read this number. which is 2.656. So now we know all three values, that X bar is 1450, SX bar is $37.50, and T is 2.656. Now substitute these values in the formula. X bar plus minus T times XX bar. That gives us 1450 plus minus 2.656 times 37.50, or 1450 plus minus 99.60. So this will be 1450 minus 99.60 to 1450 plus 99.60. So this gives us the interval $1,350.40 to $1,549.60. So we can say with 99% confidence that on average all adults spend somewhere between these two numbers on general reading books per year.